Namaste Pisces, welcome new viewers, cross-watchers and my lovely moonions. Today we will be looking into September 2021 and this is a timeless reading, timeless monthly beyond, whenever you find it or feel drawn towards it. So let's see what's coming in for you guys. Do make sure you check in your other signs as well, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus, Mars, to get a better picture if you have time. Otherwise, thank you so much for being here. So let's see what's coming in for Pisces. Alright. The moment I said Spirit, take the wheels in my head, it came out. So the first card coming in is Sacred Healing with Malachite, Medicine Drum, and number 25. Could be of significance. You could be seeing 222, 555, 777. This is a very spiritual time and certain kind of sacred healing could be happening. Maybe you can also think of try working with your third eye, opening it up, healing your inner child, rebalancing or healing your divine masculine energy or divine feminine energy to strike that balance, let go of certain kind of past experiences which may be clogging you now or making you feel overwhelmed. It's that river is flowing now and there are certain things, maybe even parts of you which you don't recognize in anymore, or those aspects which are no longer you. Discard who you are not. That kind of a thing is also coming in. But certain kind of really emotional healing, spiritual healing which is occurring, maybe even physical one which may be occurring, and there's more inner sense of inner peace which is arising. Nurturing yourself is also the energy which is coming in, and listen to the music, the rhythms of the universe and dance along. That is also coming through. With Malachite, it focuses on the heart chakra, so healing that, bringing more love, compassion, unconditional love, the one which is without expectations and boundless and infinite, bringing that, replacing fear, anxiety, jealousy, doubts, and all of that with peaceful joy, harmony, satisfaction, compassion, and love. That energy is coming through. I also feel some people listening to their call to become healers, to become light workers, however it is, but your soul calling out to you is also something which is coming in over here. So let's look into the 3D energies. Thank you. We have six of voices coming in, which is the six of swords coming through. Let me just check. Yeah, this is Six of Swords coming in, talking about traveling towards calmer waters, and there's this cow in the street. All right, so super cleanse, which is happening over here, a lot of assistance, which is also there. There may be help coming in from unexpected places, is also coming in. Certain kind of realignment, which will be very essential. How do we simplify life and how do we progress forward, is coming through. So, do we need to release certain things, leave certain things of the past in the past, in order to move forward, is also coming through. But you are traveling towards calmer waters is what is coming in, bringing in more stability, inner calm, inspiration, looking forward, and this sense of closure and excitement as you end and begin something new. End something old, begin something new. We have Ace of Materials coming in, which is Ace of Pentacles coming through. New endeavors, something like during, if you're seeing this in September, I think 6th is the new moon in Virgo. It will be really a nice time to set in new intentions for your career also. Maybe affirm things which are positive for your career is also coming through, planting new seeds. And I feel like there is something, a project perhaps, or a relationship which is seeming more positive and you're looking forward to pursue it. You are getting surer of all the ingredients, all the information is around you. You may be clarifying it, cross checking it right now, but you are at the time of gaining a lot of clarity and making a sound decision which is good for you. which you would like to see growing, flourishing in the future. That kind of energy is coming in. New beginnings, prosperous new beginnings also could be coming in. We have Justice card, Libra Major Arcana coming in, and this is also any kind of legalities that may be going on, decisions being made in your favor. Also, this is the righteous kind of a hand, or the protective hand coming in from the universe, from Archangel Michael also comes in with justice over here. The certain kind of rebalancing which was required, maybe you're initiating it, or you may be at the receiving end of it. And if this is in regards of an ending which occurred, this was divinely guided, is something also coming in. It's time to take back control, or you have the right to be heard is also coming in. Opportunities to bring in more balance, equal give and take will be coming through. We have three of emotions, beautiful, which is three of cups, talks about rejoice, celebration, spending time with friends. Maybe your friends may help you in some ways. Talk to a friend is also coming in. Spend time with your loved ones. Also in the family, there could be a new baby coming in, or news about a child could be coming through also. And I feel in terms of love, I feel you found a best friend in your lover is also kind of coming in. Or I feel something platonic which may turn into something which has the potential of becoming something more romantic in the future. I feel that. Or apart from all of this, I feel you may be making certain kind of changes in your life, places you are perhaps, how do I say it? Visiting in a way. You may meet some really good friends there. New people that you meet may have more like-minded like-mindedness which is coming in, an instant bonding which happens really good. Friendships flourishing is what I'm seeing over here. And we have the Four of Voices also coming through, which talks about breathing. Just breathe. Take some time off. You have been working on your relationships, on each and every aspect of your life, and now's the time to give yourself a breather, to step away for some time, even if it's for one day. Do everything that you like doing. But this is talking about detoxing your mind, unclogging yourself, rest and rejuvenation, which is coming in. Self-love, self-care, don't skimp. Self-care is coming through. Maybe bathing, having a salt bath, or aromatherapy, or going to a spa, spiritual retreat also may be very, very favorable for you. Or it could be like, this other person, if you are in a partnership, you have that special person, I feel they want to go on a nice fun trip with you, a retreat with you. That is also kind of coming in. And also, it's like every day's hustle and bustle, once it's over, once they have their shoes off and they are relaxed in the bed before sleeping, also they think about you, fondly about you, whatever the situation may be. Even if it has been a no contact situation, I feel that the separation also helped them become more calmer, less stressed out. And instead of seeing the negativities which they may have been focusing in the past, and they feel like, how that created an imbalance, this is channeled, needn't be for you. But at the end of it, they are thinking very fondly of you, happy memories with you, and that's a very, very beautiful change. Thinking about you fondly is what is coming in, and maybe they want to take you on a unique date. That is also coming through. Almost all the signs are there, but very prominently air signs are coming in. So air signs are Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. It could also be certain kind of really good advice which you will be given for your endeavors is also coming through. If you're an entrepreneur, there's a lot of smooth sailing, new business, a lot of business which is coming in. That is coming through because the universe is stepping in to reward you, is also coming in to reward you for your bravery, kind of a thing. In terms of love, let's see what the romance angels are saying. I feel like there's this thing of equal give and take which you both have achieved together. And if in case there's certain kind of lacking somewhere, the other person compensates, and it's a very good partnership you both may flourish, like in business partnership also. That is also coming in. We have honeymoon coming through. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together coming in. Again, the second card, which represents six of swords again. And I'm really loving it. If you were in a dilemma, I see you gliding through it because your own inner truth is coming in. You're listening to your intuition. You have psychic abilities, and you can see the future, and you know which one is best suited for you now. That kind of a energy is coming in. There's a lot of this honeymoon period, thinking romantically thinking about each other is also coming in, very passionately thinking about each other, hopefully thinking about each other. I feel both of you thinking about the future together is also coming in very, very prominently. I also feel there's a surprise which will be coming in, a lovely surprise which may be coming in. One you expect the least is also coming through. This person may be on the path of healing and may have taken some time off because they were getting too confused. They wanted to spend time alone. And maybe the people they are meeting right now, they're trying to find you in them is also coming in because you felt like home. You feel like my own. That is the energy which is coming in. And we have let your friends help you. See, Three of Cups coming in, that energy coming through. Ask for and accept support from others. Maybe if you're single, you get called in and meet someone through your friends. And it needn't be just romantic. I feel like you may get introduced to someone who you haven't met before, who can bring in a lot of like golden opportunities. That kind of a thing is also coming in. Don't say no to any kind of invitation that may be coming through for you. I feel that, like, you never know. This could be the one is coming through at the bottom with you've already met the romantic partner you seek. You deserve love. You are lovable. Affirm this. I love, I am loved, I am loved. Beautiful rewards are coming in. A very fulfilling relationship is also coming through. If there were certain kind of conflicts in your relationships, I feel things smoothing out because there's more trust which is occurring over here because of this balancing of scales. Let's see what the spirit has for you. I want to keep this reading short. It's a very lovely energy which is coming in. Just indulge in some self-care. Boost yourself up. Angels are with you. Your dreams are coming true. Things are making sense. Things are flowing in your favor once again. If you felt it was a tight uphill that you were experiencing. We have letting go, learn to let go, which is coming in over here, which is very essential on the path of healing. And keep moving forward towards things which are meaningful, towards things which add value to your life, which are beneficial, which inspire you. All of that which is coming in over here, walking past, like bidding goodbye to your past self, in a way saying that, like, of course it is all of it has shaped you. Even your shadow self is a part of you, your higher self is a part of you, but you are the gateway. Consider that, and you need to allow all of that aspects to formulate you. I don't know why I'm saying this because Pisces have a lot of knowledge already, but I feel that, like, we're just letting go of things. This is a retrograde period. Like, many retrogrades are happening. They'll start stopping, like, going direct in October and all of that. But use this time to as a fulcrum as you move forward, jump forward. That kind of energy is coming in. It's time to nurture your relationships in the present is also coming in over here. Your efforts will not be wasted is coming in. Your friends see you in a very loving way. We have Healer of the Ages also coming in over here with 51. The change which is required to initiate something beautiful in your life is coming in. You may be an old soul. Most of the Pisces are old souls, which is why you are the 12th sign. You have a very healing touch, but the healing which the one who requires the most healing right now, protection, care, nurture, is you also. You have a very beautiful energy about you. You bring in a lot of calm to anyone you talk to, because you do tend to talk with respect, with care, and it comes very naturally to you. But sometimes you just have to protect yourself, just direct that energy inwards. And I see that happening. And you taking care of yourself, everything that you're doing for yourself, like you're doing goodness to for others because it makes you feel good also. You know, that's the thing. Like, and you're letting go, you're being asked to let go of karmic weights, bonds that you may be carrying along, the guilt that needs to go, and the spirit is just saying it's okay. You did what was known best to you. Sure, you may have done it differently with all the knowledge that you have, but it's time to forgive yourself and move towards prosperity. And I feel most of you already doing that. And this is just coming in as a confirmation. Your efforts being recognized is the energy which is coming in. Let's look into the charm. First, when I took it out, I felt like there was no sign. Then I saw that there is one. I don't know what is it. Okay. And then I picked up a few more, hoping that, like, maybe one more comes in and two more came in. I'll see them later. All right, we have the bee coming through, and it has like flowers at at the back. There's a lot of abundance which is coming in, prosperity which is coming in, hard work which is being rewarded now. And you may be very, very busy right now, and you may be loving it. You may be one of those who have actually pursued your passion, or you pursued something and found your passion, and you are very passionate about what you do. There's also the energy which is coming in. We have angel wings coming through. Look around for any kind of feather randomly you see is also coming in, and just search for what it may mean is also coming through. But angelic presence is there. A lot of love, support, assistance, guidance is always there, because your angels, God, your whoever you believe in, source, the universe, angels, fairies, guides, ancestors, they are with you, protecting you is also coming in. Your guardian angel is with you, is coming through. And we have, I always get confused about the, is it a rabbit or a bear? But allow your playful side to shine is also coming in. There may be divine timing which is coming through, but something which will make you feel very excited and quite energetic towards achieving things is also coming in. Get you excited, that kind of a thing is coming through. But abundance is coming to you already there, and more of it is coming through. We have strong is beautiful, and you are strong, and you are beautiful inside and out. We have a tulip also over here. You have something very unique to offer to the world, is the energy which is coming in. Take good care. Maybe it may be, I am just being asked to say, there's a deep cleansing that may be required, and even in your place, your where you stay, physical space, certain kind of decluttering will be essential. I don't know why I'm being said that. This one looks like this is a spike, but it looks like a needle. I feel like a situation which may have seemed a little impossible, a solution is being reached is also coming in. Mending the differences, appreciating it is also coming through. But I'm seeing stitching. So even if like there are two different cloths, designs, they get stitched and become one. That kind of energy is coming through. We have a spoon also coming through. So cute. Someone wanted to take you to a date, fine dining energy which is coming through. It almost seems like feeding a baby also, though. Maybe you're a chef, or you're blessed with the skill of cooking is also coming in. Have fun with that. Treat yourself with a good meal, healthy meal. We have the golden anchor also coming in. Long-term potentials are coming through. So consider each and every aspect of yours, but I feel like golden opportunities coming your way. Being the master of your life kind of a energy is coming in, getting the groove of life, feeling the high of it and appreciating it also. In terms of the signs, we have Gemini with intelligent. You or your person could be a Gemini, and people find you, and they also find you being very intelligent, intellectual also. Like intellectually, you inspire them is also coming in. You turn them on intellectually too. It's coming through the. Okay, we have Cancerians coming in with imaginative, and we have Scorpio coming through with passionate also. You or your person could have these signs. Use your imaginations as you pursue your passions is also coming through. It's time to use the knowledge that you have and bring out something unique to the world is also coming in. Don't forget to embrace your uniqueness, your nerve and talent. But apart from that, with the elements over here, the tulip being in the back garden, I feel very homely energy which is coming in. Some of you may be thinking of settling down, but and opportunities in regards to that is also going to come in, but don't keep stressing about it. And I feel like your personal life becoming more smoother, more nurturing, very satisfying. That is the energy which is coming through. Maybe you're thinking about a location change also, home wise too. And you'll start seeing opportunities for that too is coming in. A very very beautiful move that you're making in life, and the universe is supporting you is the energy which is coming through. Help the universe help you. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, clarity, abundance, happiness, peace, unconditional love to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe. Hi, my lovely moonians. Shukriya for watching.